Do you dream of juicy, sweet watermelons in your garden? Imagine slicing into a ripe watermelon on a hot summer day. Let's explore how to grow them with ease. Growing watermelons starts with selecting the right variety. Choose a kind that fits your climate. Popular options include Sugar Baby and Crimson Sweet. Next, find the perfect planting location. Watermelons need lots of sunlight. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun each day. Now, prepare your soil. Choose a well-draining area with sandy loam. Mix in compost for nutrients to help your watermelons thrive. It's time to plant. Start seeds indoors or directly in the soil after frost. Space seeds about 36 inches apart, allowing ample room for growth. Watering is crucial during the growing process. Water deeply, especially in dry spells. Avoid getting the leaves wet to prevent diseases. Fertilizing your watermelon plants ensures rich growth. Use a balanced fertilizer or compost every 2 to 3 weeks. This boosts fruit size and sweetness. Keep an eye out for pests. Aphids and cucumber beetles can harm your watermelon. Use organic insecticidal soap to keep them at bay. As watermelons start to grow, support larger fruits. Use straw or a hammock to cradle them. This keeps the fruit clean and prevents rot. Harvesting is exciting. Watermelons are ready when they have a uniform color and a dull spot on the bottom. Thump it, a hollow sound means it's ripe. After harvest, store watermelons in a cool place. They'll last longer if you keep them whole. Cut only when ready to eat. Let's recap the key points. Choose the right variety, prepare your soil, plant seeds, water and fertilize them regularly. Watch for pests, support growing fruits, and harvest at the right time. Ready to grow your own watermelons? Start your gardening journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.